Hi everyone. We start our lesson. Our lesson today is chapter 7. That's a 7.1 Human Endocrine System. Okay, let's see what is that. Now we're going to introduce what's the endocrine system and its function. Okay, first one, endocrine system is one of the system in our body that coordinate the body function, such as a chemical substance. We call it as hormones. Okay, hormones that secrete from the special gland. Example, there's an endocrine gland. Okay, these glands are ductless gland. Ductless means they don't have any nerve. Okay, how they go to secrete the hormones? Okay, we see the following. It secretes directly into the bloodstream. Okay, salodara bloodstream. After that, they distribute to the whole body. Okay, the hormone can have the more than one of the target organ. That means they not just go to one of the organ, they maybe go another organ also. Okay, now we're going to see the second one. Okay, this one is a body coordination. They're separated by two parts. First one is a nervous system. Nervous system is for our nerve. Okay, they send the nerve. Then normally this one nervous system is a faster one. Okay, then we see today what we learn, endocrine system. This one is a slow effect, so maybe you cannot see immediately. Later, after 3 months or 4 months, then you can see what happened. So this one is related with the hormone. So we need to see which part organ of our body that will receive the hormone. Okay, now we're going to see the endocrine gland. Endocrine gland, the first one we know there's a ductless gland. Okay, we must mention there's a ductless. They don't have using any part, any tube to continue to your body part. They're just ductless. After that, they has a prolong for the effect. Okay, effect for take long time. After that, they are type of the protein. Then slow response, secret in a small quantities. They cannot immediately give you more. Slowly a little bit. After that, they got stimulate the function of the specific tissue or the organ. Special tissue and organ that will receive the hormone. Then after that, coordinate the activity of the body. Okay, control your body activity. Okay, this one I go to highlight already. There's a yellow color. The hormone will go to the target organ. The organ they target already, and able to recognize and respond to the specific organ. So that means the specific organ that will receive the specific hormones. Not every hormone they can receive. They must choose the specific one. After that, they got specific effect. Okay, now we're going to see the every target organ, what we need to introduce for the endocrine gland. Okay, let's see the first one. This one is our bloodstream. Okay, bloodstream. Then this one is the endocrine gland for the cell. Okay, so this one endocrine, they will put the hormones inside the our bloodstream. That means that without any ductus. That means they straightforward put inside our bloodstream. Okay, bloodstream. After that, they will go to the certain target organ cell. So that means certain target cell, they will receive certain hormone. So from here, they explain for you the hormones carried through the blood circulation. After that, they're able to recognize and also respond to the specific hormone. So the hormone just come, they will know which part hormone they will suitable. Then after that, they will receive. Okay, then we go to the. So this one is what I want to introduce, the endocrine gland in the humans. Okay, actually we got 5 for the normal human being lah. The first one is the pituitary from your brain. After that, from your trachea, we got the thyroid. Okay, after that, from your stomach there, we got pancreas. Then after that, from the kidney, above the kidney, got 2 parts. That one we call adrenal. Then after that, for the male, we got testis, and for the female, we got ovary. So these 6 parts, they suppose they will receive the certain of the hormones. So later I will introduce what hormone they need to receive and also what's the function. Okay, first part we go to see the pituitary gland. Okay, pituitary gland is a master gland. There's a below the cerebrum. This one is the cerebrum brain. So this part location we call it as a pituitary gland. Okay, this one after focus make the size become bigger, you find it the shape become like this. So you find it, there's so many blue color lines, is it? This all is a hormone you send through the bloodstream. After that, go to the certain part. Okay, now you can see the characteristic. Okay, pituitary gland. First one, the size just like the peanut size. Okay, where the location? Below, this one is a cerebrum. There's this part, the small part here. Okay, just like the peanut. Okay, this one is a pituitary. Okay, what hormone they come out? They come out is a GH. This one GH stands for growth hormone. That means for your develop. Okay, function for the growth hormone is for the children. Children can grow faster. Okay, number 2 is a antidiuretic growth hormone, AGH. This one function is control the water absorption from the kidney. So that means if this one you got problem, you cannot come out the hormone, means you every time keep go to toilet because they cannot function to absorb the water in your kidney. So your kidney every time full with the water, after that urine is full, then you need to go to toilet. So this one is 2 of the hormone come out from the pituitary. Okay, one for growth hormone, another one for the water absorption in the kidney. Okay, then we go to the next one. The next one for the thyroid gland. That one is for the trachea, located in front of the trachea. They just cover your trachea. So what hormone they come out? Thyroxine. Okay, remember the name, thyroxine. Okay, after that, the thyroxine, what's the function? They want to control your rate metabolism. So another one is a physical and mental develop in the children. So this one is a thyroid gland produce a hormone thyroxine. So you must remember function. We got 2 functions, rate of metabolism. Another one is a develop for the child. Third one is a pancreas. Okay, location pancreas, back of the stomach. Okay, behind the stomach. So this one is the shape of the pancreas. Okay, what hormone they produce? Insulin. Okay, function to control the blood glucose level by converting the excess of the glucose into the glycogen. Okay, glucose is a complex, complex system. Then the glycogen is a simple system. So that means when you eat anything, they need to digest. When they just digest, they will make complex become the simple. The simple, that means you can digest by your body. Then the complex one, they will make it become smaller. So this part, when you produce got insulin, insulin can help. Okay, can help the sugar, make it become simple. After that, you can digest. Then if you less of the insulin, that means you eat all the thing with the sugar, they cannot separate. They cannot separate it, become the small part. So that means this one will cause you about the diabetes. So this one is one of the problem. If your body less of the insulin, they will produce the diseases in your body. There's a diabetes. We're going to see the adrenal gland. This one is your kidney. Above there we got adrenal gland. Okay, there's a located just above the kidney. Okay, what the hormone they produce? There's an adrenaline. Okay, adrenaline. What's the function for this one? Adrenaline. They want to prepare the body for action during the emergency. So that means emergency example, you got fire, your house fire, you want to run out, is it? That one is an emergency. So this situation, your hormone adrenaline they will produce. So after that, they will increase the rate of your heartbeat. They become scared. Okay, after that, increase the glucose level in your body. So you become sweating some more. So this one is a situation when the panic, they will produce this hormone. Okay, that's the automatic one, adrenaline. Ovary. Okay, this one ovary just for the female lah. We go to explain the this part. Okay, they can produce the first hormone we got oestrogen. Okay, oestrogen, they control the development of the secondary sexual characteristic. Okay, this one will happen for the female when they are in the primary school, or you say the starting for the secondary school. So this one situation they develop for the body size. Okay, after that they find it the organ sex, they become developed. So this one situation we call it as a menses already for the female. Okay, another one, there's a progesterone. Progesterone, the function is maintain the thickness of the wall of the uterus. Okay, that means inside the ovary. After that, they want to make this one we call uterus become, the wall become thicker, okay, to inflammation of the embryo. Later you got baby, the baby can stay from here. That means they will save and stay from here. So this one is progesterone function. Okay, let's see, this one is a ovary. The woman will have the pair of the ovary in the pelvis space. So this two is a ovary. So this one we call uterus. So the embryo will stay here. Okay, so this one is a two hormone produced by the female. So you make sure the name, then you also make sure what is the function. Okay, last one we need to go is a male. That's a testis. They also got one pair. Okay, they're protected by the scrotum. Scrotum is the outside. This one, labeled by blue color. Okay, this one called scrotum. They cover the testis. Okay, this part. Okay, all thing. This one is a duct, the bloodstream. So this one yellow color. This one. Okay, this one is a scrotum. Okay, what they produce? They produce the testosterone. Okay, testosterone hormone function to increase, okay, the develop of the men, female, when they are secondary sexual. So that means during your, for the male is a secondary school lah. You find it the sex organ develop. After you find it, your voice will be changes already. Okay, another one, they stimulate the sperm production. Okay, you produce the sperm. So that one, the situation is for the function hormone testosterone for the male. Okay, these all thing we call it endocrine gland. They will produce the hormone. Then this one hormone is affected for the certain target only. Okay, from this part we need to find the effects for this hormone imbalance. If you got extra or you got less, we see what happened. Okay, first one is a growth hormone. Remember the GH and AGH. Okay, if under secretion means you less, what happened? Drowsism. Okay, if you over, we call gigantism. Okay, we see what's a drowsism, what's a gigantism. It's like this. You see the body size. They cannot become taller. They keep the height stop already. They cannot increase already. Okay, so although they are 50 years old, the height also like this only. This one we call drowsism because you less of the hormone from the pituitary. Okay, this one is gigantism. This one is over. That means this hormone you are overtaken. Not overtaken lah. Maybe they overproduce from your body. So you see the size. You are tallest more from the others. That means you are the abnormal lah. Then we go to the ADH. Just now explain for you the antidiuretic hormone also from the pituitary. Okay, if under secretion, if you less, what happen? Poor for real absorption of the water in the kidney. Okay, you cannot absorb more water. That means the kidney keep water there. You must always go to the toilet. Another one is the excessive production of the urine. That means your urine will keep more and more. Then after that, excessive for the thirst. You want to drink the water. Want to drink the water. Okay, then the last one is a diabetes. So this one is a hormone antidiuretic. Then they will affected if you less. Okay, now we see over. If you overtaken this this one hormone, what happened? You find it there's a headache. You will feel headache and also dizziness, pengsan. Okay, this one is a over hormone. Okay, then we go to the thyroid. Remember the thyroid? Thyroid is for your tracheal part. They produce a hormone is a thyroxine. Okay, if you less of the thyroxine, what happen? Low metabolism rate. Okay, metabolism become rate. That means your develop become slow down. Okay, tandem for the growth. Okay, pertumbuhan terpantut. So that means you cannot grow well. Okay, and the last one you cause about the goiter. Remember this name, goiter. Goiter means your neck, the part of the neck become swollen. swollen, become bigger part. Okay, if you over, that means thyroid is over, what happens? Your metabolic become high rate. Okay, maybe you sweating more than the other people. Then another one, your weight will become lost because you're too active already. Okay, the weight become lost, sweating, and always feeling hot. The body feeling very hot, and also thyroid gland enlargement. Okay, after that, you can see the pretending for the ice ball. You can see what's the meaning for this all thing. Okay, this one we call goiter. So that means the neck part you become swollen. So this part we call it you are less of the thyroxine. Okay, not enough for the thyroxine hormone. Okay, if extra thyroxine what happen? This one we call thunder. Okay, your eyes become pretending come out. So this one situation we call hyperthyroidism. Okay, hyperthyroidism. So from here you find it the eyes part, the eyes ball part. Okay, because you are over of the thyroxine, the eyes ball part become pretending. Okay, menonjol up keluar. Then we go to the next one, insulin from the pancreas. Okay, if you less of the insulin, blood glucose level will be increased. So that means you get more of the glucose in the body, then the sugar level will be increased. Sugar level increase means diabetes. Then excessive glucose to be converted to the glycogen. So that means they are convert become slow already. So that means too much will stay in your body. So that's why you say they get diabetes. Okay, if you over insulin means what? You are low glucose level. So your pressure level become low. So this situation you find it become weakness. Okay, you like want to diseaseness because you're not enough of the sugar. Okay, let's see the diagram. This one is a problem for the diabetes. Okay, you see the leg. This one is a problem. Okay. Okay, now we go to the ovary for the female. Okay, progesterone. Progesterone, if you less, what happen? Menstrual problem. Okay, menstrual problem, that means every month you cannot get the period to come. Okay, the second one, you get it, there's a headache. Constipation, you cannot go to toilet. Constipation. Then, and the last one is a miscarriage. Okay, this one is a diagram for the miscarriage. Okay, maybe the baby you cannot stay longer for your body. Okay, after that miscarriage. Okay, keguguran. Now we're going to see some of the another hormone for the female. Okay, this one is a constipation. The problem of the constipation. Another one, this one is a baby miscarriage that at the 12 week. 12 week means not more than 2 months, maybe 1 month more only. Then you see like this. This one is an embryo. Okay, die already. This one called miscarriage. Okay, we go see another hormone. There's a estrogen. Okay, estrogen. Estrogen is another hormone from the female. Okay, this one is underdeveloped of the female secondary sexual characteristic. If you're not enough, that means they will disturb your secondary sexual characteristic. So you find the breast maybe become flat. Okay, because they disturb already. Then your menstruals also got problem. Not every month to come. Maybe 3 months come one time because you are less of the estrogen. So this one, if you less, if you over, what happen? The female characteristic in the male. Okay, that means the female, you will characteristic for the man already if you over the estrogen. Okay, so from here you can see the diagram. Adulthood. Okay, if you less of the estrogen, so you find it the PCOS. Okay, because okay, another one is your headache, fatigue. You find very easier to tired. Another one is your weight gain faster. Okay, your weight gain become faster. So normally sometimes they say, oh, because your hormone got problem because your fats still gain and faster. So this one is a one of the thing affected your weight. Okay, then we go to the part for the male. Okay, this one is a hormone testosterone. Okay, if you're not enough for this one hormone, there's an underdevelopment of the male secondary sexual. So that means you cannot get the develop for the male sexual characteristic during the normally is a primary the secondary school lah. Then everybody also change the voice already, but you still same like the child. So maybe you are less of the testosterone. So if you over, what happen? If you're over, that means the male, they got characteristic of the woman. Then maybe we can say they just like the pondan. That one is a when you're over the testosterone. Okay, so this one is a hormone name. Then also the effect when they are over and when are deficiency. So you need to know the effect. Finish about the every part for the endocrine gland. So remember, the first one should be the pituitary. Then after that is the thyroid. Okay, number 3 is the pancreas. Number 4 should be the adrenal. Then after that, for the female, we got ovary. After that, for the male, we got testis. Then you must know every part. They come out the hormone, what's the name. So from here, what you need to do, you need to copy and also answer the question in the textbook. There's a page 152. Then the answer must be right inside your exercise book. So we're going to see what they need to do. The first one, you need to state the meaning of the hormones. Okay, what means from the hormone you can find from the textbook. Okay, after that you can state main endocrine gland in the human body. Just now I explained for you already. So 3, name the hormones secreted by the following gland. You tell me the adrenal, what they come up, pancreas, testis, and also the thyroid gland. Last one, function of the hormone produced by the following gland. I think there's no problem. You just refer the PowerPoint, you can find the answer. Okay, so this one answer will discuss with you with the next lesson. Okay? So our lesson is until here only. So thank you for your watching. Then you please complete the work. Then I also will be upload the exercise in the Google Classroom. Okay, thank you.